and Grand City. Fans, let's hear it for all these teams in these divisions. Members of each team receive a ribbon of participation. Teams that place receive ribbons signifying that placement. And the top 2 teams in each division receive a team plaque. Let's begin with middle kick 6A. Middle kick 6A awarding 3rd, 2nd, and 1st place. 3rd place goes to the team from Wahpeton Breckenridge. Second place, middle kick 6A, West Fargo. And first place in middle kick 6A, a little bit louder, St. Cloud area. And in the middle hip-hop single A division, awarding 3rd, 2nd, and 1st place. 3rd place, middle hip-hop single A, Lake Park, Audubon. Second place, middle hip-hop single A, Kindred. And first place in middle hip-hop single A, a little bit louder, Thief River Fire! And before we announce our awards for the Double A division, following this announcement, we will be coming back over here to side B for our junior hip-hop divisions and junior jazz single A. So dancers, team photos at the photo backdrop on the end of the bleachers here on side B. Brand new photo backdrop. Middle hip-hop double A awarding 3rd, 2nd, and 1st place. 3rd place goes to the team from Bismarck North. Second place in the double A division, Horace. And first place in the middle hip-hop double A division,